Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And do you want to find a way to help you explode your network marketing business? Well, I want to show you this particular software that I've been testing out myself, and that's why I said that entire the video how to use the Freedom Finders software to explode your network marketing business. So I've been testing this software for a couple of months now, probably about December of this year. And I wanted to test this out for you to kind of let you know how this works and if it's something that's going to probably help your network marketing business. So before I do that, though, I do want to remind you that if this is your first time on my channel, I want to say, first of all, welcome. And if it's your first time on my channel, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are an entrepreneur and just want to find out different ways to help you grow your business by your mindset, by using marketing, by using system and different tools, then you've come to the right channel. Again, my name is Billy Josie, the New Generation Marketer here in Jacksonville, Florida. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So, again, I entitled the video, How to Explode Your Network Marketing Business, or how to use the Friend Finder software to explode your network marketing business. So I wanted to kind of give you a quick demo. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Hopefully I don't go any longer than that. So let's go and take a look here. So here I am at the Freedom Finders login page. So my email there, of course, my password is already in there. So when you log in here and you click sign in, it takes you to a little dashboard. Dashboard here basically is going to show you your contacts, different resources, different trainings, send vouchers. I won't really go into that. I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of the system so you see how it can help you. You have your Freedom survey page, your personal survey page, your rep, and technical support. So what's unique about this Friend Finders is that you can actually get contacts, and I don't mind showing you my contacts. It's probably not going to show you any email information or anything like that. It's just going to show you the names. So when you go in here, it shows you all of my contacts. And these are contacts that I've reached out to. The ones with a little fire type next to it showing that these are like the hot leads, those that I've actually leads that I've actually got through this system, and I've reached out to them, and I put the little hot there because they're either really serious about looking, or I need to follow up with them, or I think there'll be someone that I can add to my business as an affiliate or just someone to add to my business as a team member. So as you can see in just a little bit, so I have quite a few leads. So this is the easiest way. This is the most easiest way, I think, that if you're in network marketing to talk to at least 3 to 5 people a day. This is really the easiest way. If you were looking at one of my previous videos that I did before where I was telling you the easiest way to get 3 to 5 people is to get a system, this is the system that I was kind of referring to in that previous video, because I've been using this for a little over a month now, and I've been having really good success with it. So in here, you see all these leads here. Now, you may be asking, okay, I see the Friend Finder software, but how do I get those leads? It's very simple. What you do is if you go here to dashboard, excuse me, you're able to buy clicks to your profile page. So if you hit buy clicks here to your profile page, you'll come here, it'll say purchase views to your page. If you click purchase views to your page, you can buy a minimum of 20 profile views that could actually generate clicks for you. So if you go here and you type in, let's say 20, and you can set the time that you want to start. I generally go as soon as possible. And then of course, if you check out, it'll show you that that's only $17. Now, when I go in, I generally do a little bit more than 20. I'll do about, let's say, 40. I do about 40. And I hit checkout. So I'll pay about $34. Now, if you're ambitious like me, you can do 100 views. And of course, you'll just use them till they go out. $85, use them until they go out. You'll get profile views, and which could actually turn into lead. So where it says purchase views to your page, when you become a user of this software, you get your own survey page. So let me kind of show you exactly what this looks like. The survey page, so you can kind of get an idea. Copy URL, visit profile. So you'll come to a page like this. You can either use the one that they have for you, or you can put your own video there. I advise you that if you don't want to do it, you can do this. This converts pretty well, but this is the page that those profile views come to, and these are actual people that are actually looking for a business. The great thing is that it has the different questions that you can ask them. How soon are you looking to get started? Are you a self-starter? When's the best time for a trainer to call you? If a trainer calls you, will you answer? And they can leave their name, their email address, and of course their phone number. And again, these are real people that come to see this profile. And when they see this profile, they can leave their information here. And that, my friend, becomes what you see here. There you go. So I think this is definitely something that can help you, if you're in network marketing, to explore that network marketing business, because the more people that you have to expose about your business. Now, what I can say about these profile views that become leads, these people are really looking for an opportunity to work from home. These are the most responsive leads. I talk to these people, they're looking. I text these people, they're looking. They call you back if you reach out to them by phone or text. So the great thing I like about this is that you got more people that you can expose your network marketing opportunity to as well. And again, you may not be in network marketing, but you may be an affiliate marketer, or someone in direct sales. This is great because these people are just looking for an opportunity to work from home or to make extra money, which is great for you as a home business owner. So I hope you did get some value out of this. Like I said, I think that Freedom Finders, after doing my research on this, is a great tool to have to help you run your business and grow your business and really explode your business. I haven't been using it for long, but I definitely give this my approval. Also, I do want to let you know that if you want to try Freedom Finders yourself, I will leave a link at the bottom for you. You have the opportunity, if you click that link, to try it out yourself for a full 7 days to see if you like it and if you want to keep it. I always recommend that everyone try out Freedom Finders to see if something that can work for their network marketing business or affiliate marketing business. So there we go. That's my simple way that I think that you can explore your network marketing business using the Freedom Finders. I keep calling it Friend Finder, the Freedom Finders software. So guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will leave a link at the bottom for you to take advantage of that free trial to see if you like it or not. But I give this my 100% endorsement to help you explore your network marketing business. Peace. Also, like and hit subscribe and hit that bell. Take care.